I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to Afterpay is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app. Launch the Afterpay app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button to access your account settings. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods. Step 3. Add a new card. In the Payment Methods section, select Add a Card. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. Once your card is verified, make sure to save the changes. You should see your new credit card listed in your payment methods. Remember, if you encounter any issues during verification, double-check the card details you entered. Happy shopping!